Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Afghanistan news live updates. Air India flight from Delhi to land in Kabul at 12:30 p.m. Firing near Kabul airport. In just a week of armed conquest, the Taliban have taken control of the capital city of Kabul after Afghanistan President Ashraf Ghani fled the country and South Islam, Tajikistan. An official part of the militant group said the Taliban will soon declare the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan from the presidential palace. Meanwhile, the UN Security Council will on Monday hold a meeting on the situation in Afghanistan. The Indian government has told Air India to put 2 aircraft on standby for emergency evacuations from Kabul, sources said. Air India has prepared a safe crew for emergency operations from Kabul to New Delhi. The Taliban have released prisoners from Bagram Airways. Afghan forces at Bagram Airways, home to a prison housing 5,000 inmates, surrendered to the Taliban, according to Bagram District Chief Darwish Rafi. The prison at the former US base held both Taliban and Islamic State from group fighters, according to the Associated Press. Commercial flights were suspended at the Kabul Hamid Karzai International Airport due to the firing in area. Taliban spokesperson Suhail Shaheen tweeted the Islamic Emirate has ordered its Mujahideen and once again instructs them that no one is allowed to enter anyone's house without permission. Life, property and honor of none shall be harmed but must be protected by Mujahideen. As the Taliban took control of Kabul, scores of people rushed to the Kabul airport to leave Afghanistan. Congress Women's Wing Chief Sushmita Dev changes Twitter bio, fuels speculation over leaving party. Sushmita Dev, the chief of All India Mahila Congress, has changed her Twitter bio, which now reads former member on National Congress and Mahila Congress. In March this year, the Congress had dismissed reports of Sushmita Dev resigning from the party over seat sharing in the Assam Assembly elections. Assam Congress President Bhupen Bora said he was not aware of Sushmita Dev's resignation. Sushmita Dev is the daughter of Assam Congress stalwart and influential Bengali leader Santosh Mohan Dev. Sushmita Dev had earlier been elected MP from the Silchar seat, which had been the stronghold of her father. Left to avoid bloodshed, Ashraf Ghani writes on social media after leaving Afghanistan. Former President of Afghanistan Ashraf Ghani took to social media to say that he left the country to avoid bloodshed. The president had left the country after the Taliban narrowed in and took over Kabul. Ashraf Ghani, however, did not disclose his current location. In his social media post, Ashraf Ghani said, "Today I come across a hard choice. I should stand to face the armed Taliban who wanted to enter the palace or leave the dear country Afghanistan that I dedicated my life to protecting the past 20 years." Former Afghan President Ashraf Ghani added that had he not left the country, the result would have been a big human disaster in this 6 million city. Ghani said if there were still countless countrymen martyred and they would face destructions of Kabul city, result would have been a big human disaster in this 6 million city. The Taliban have made it to remove me. They are here to attack all Kabul and the people of Kabul. The ex-president mentioned that the Taliban have won the judgment of sword and guns and now it's their duty to protect the people of Afghanistan.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.